Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Urvee and for today's video I have products under 250. These are skincare, body care, makeup products available under rupees 250 and I have used them a lot and I have a huge box over here with me. So let's get started. So if you haven't really seen the products under 150, I have created that video as well. So if you want, you can definitely check it out. I've mentioned it in the description. So let's start with the first product, which is the Pears Natural body wash. So it comes in various variants. One we have is the coconut water, this one, this is how it looks. Then we have the aloe vera one, this is how it looks. And lastly we have the pomegranate one. Now I'm currently using the pomegranate one, as you can see, and I've already finished the aloe vera and the coconut one and I honestly really liked it. Now I know we want some good body washes which are affordable, and these I feel like are completely affordable. You get 250 ml for 180 rupees, which is a great thing, under rupees 200, which is really amazing. It definitely smells like coconuts and aloe vera gel. It also depends, you might like these if you like very mild fragrances. If you like something fruity, you will definitely like this one. I would say it is like a bit moisturizing to your body. Other than that, I feel like it's really nice, worth for the money. 180 rupees, I definitely like it and I'm definitely see myself looking forward to using these and trying new variants out. As of now, I feel like there are only 3 of these, so yeah, like these. Okay, now let's move on to the next category, which is deodorants, and I have a couple of them over here. As you can see, I literally have 5 of them over here. Now this is the Nivea's deodorants. These are different ones available. So the first one which I have is the Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin deodorant. This one is for 225 rupees. I have used this a lot. Now Nivea recently launched the Deo Milk last year, so these are the ones which I have over here. You get for dry skin and fresh skin as well. These one again are for 225 rupees. And then next up we have the Deo Milk spray-ons, and those were the roll-ons. So this one you get again for 225 rupees. I honestly love Nivea deodorants. I wear them every single day and I mean it's just perfect. I haven't ever used any other deodorant than Nivea, so I mean I definitely love it and I've been using these for years and years and years. I prefer the roll-on version over the spray version. I feel like these, when you spray, it just has a very strong scent which just goes in your nose and you just start sneezing. This is what I usually do, but yeah, I feel like roll-ons are more effective to me. So yeah, I definitely keep on buying roll-ons a lot and yeah, I love these. Okay, so those were the body care products. Now let's move on to makeup products which are under 250. I know everyone is excited about makeup products, then body care, skincare. So one of the first steps of makeup is to apply a SPF. Now I have the Docs Skin Protection Gel, which is SPF 30, and this is how it looks. This is for 249 rupees and I absolutely love this one. You definitely have this on sale, so you get it around like 230 or 220 rupees, which is a great thing. And this is one of the first SPF which I've seen does not give me a white cast, does not have a white cast, blends in really nicely. However, I've seen other SPFs and I've used them which just give you a white cast, just takes a lot of time to blend in. This one has made to my favorites and it is one like literally so affordable. Like for 259 rupees, a good SPF, which is, I feel like it's a great thing. I would highly recommend you to check it out if you're looking for a very affordable SPF. Now let's move on to primers. We have the Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. So if you have used the Color Bar Perfect Primer, which is the blurring primer, if you have used the Nykaa primers, which is the silicone one, this is a great alternative to that, an affordable alternative to that. Color Bar one I think is for 800 rupees and Nykaa is for 500, and this one is for 240 rupees and I absolutely like this one. This gives like this blurring effect. Since I have textured skin, I tend to use this one because I really like that blurring effect that this primer gives me and I absolutely love this one. Okay, now let's talk about beauty blenders. I know it is very expensive, but I have the Bronson Beauty Blender over here. This is for 140 rupees. I got it from Nykaa. It is very dirty, I know, please don't throw shade at me in the comments, but if this shows that I've been using this a lot, and I've been using, definitely been using this a lot according to the condition. As you can see, it blends in really nicely. I've used this blender today for my skin, for my makeup, and yeah, I love it. It does the job really well. Only the thing which I've noticed is that it just soaks in a lot of foundation, which is what I don't like. Other than that, I feel like it is a great beauty blender. Next up for powders, we have the Fit Me Compact. This retails for 199 rupees. I honestly love this more than any other compacts which I have. It has a bit of coverage more than the other compacts which I have. Honestly, I like it. All the entire Fit Me range is amazing. Highly recommended for 199 rupees. Let's talk about some pigmented blushes. We have the Steakworks blushes. I've done a review video on these. It is one of the most pigmented blushes I've ever seen. Now this one is for 243 rupees, just below 250, but you always get sales on purple, so you can definitely wait and get a bit more discount, a little less, maybe for 220 or 230 rupees. But these are so freaking pigmented. I've done a video on these. Highly pigmented. Let me just show you. Look at that. You just do this, and I've been wearing one of them on me today. So I love these blushes. Very affordable, amazing, blends beautifully, is very pigmented. Nothing wrong with these. Let's talk about lashes. I've mentioned one of my favorite lashes in the products under rupees 150 videos. So if you haven't checked out, you can definitely check out that. But here are some of the lashes which I love under 250. Now this is the Nykaa OTT Drama, especially this version. I love this one a lot. I love that it is, lengthening, gives this lengthening wispy effect. They are not too much or like too less. This is just the perfect in between. I feel like this looks really good on me, hence this is my absolute favorite. This is the second pair of like OTT Drama that I've bought. I got it last year. I love it, and then that just did, like, I used that a lot, so then I had to restock on this one, and now this is for 199 rupees. Really love especially this pair of lashes from Nykaa. Okay, so now let's move on to lipsticks. So we have the Mars lip crayons over here. As you can see, I have a lot of them. Again, I have done a video, like a review video on this with the swatches of these lipsticks, so you can definitely check it out. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me just swatch it for you. So we have shades. You have all different shades in here. We have I Am Fierce. Now this one is for 199 rupees on Amazon. So if you want, you can definitely check it out. These are very buttery, as you can see. These swatch really well. They just look also really well. So if you just want to see the entire review, you can check out the entire review. But these two are my absolute favorite shades. This is the I Am Unstoppable and Girl Power. Absolutely love this. This shade, God, look at you guys. Look at this. So pretty. And then we have I Am Unstoppable just right here. Really gorgeous. Very buttery. Goes on really nicely. Not too matte, not too drying for your lips. Amazing. I reach out to these every single day. Now last but never the least, again, lipsticks under rupees 200 or 250 you can say, but it is technically under 200, is the NY Base liquid lipsticks. These are my recent finds. Oh my god, I love these. Love is an understatement for this. I recently found out and I was like, this is my new favorite lipstick. Like literally, these retail for 187 rupees. This is how it looks. And I'm not really a pink person, but I have these two, which is called as Mugs and Hugs, which is the perfect nude shade, I would say, for me. This has undertones, like blue undertones, and again like cool undertones. Now this one is Pillow Talk 14. Absolutely favorite. I'm just going to swatch this for you so you can see it for yourself. How cool is that? Now I think I'm gonna swatch it. I don't even know where to swatch it. I will just do it right here. I love these shades. For 187 you get such a huge tube of lipsticks. Absolute favorite. Like, I can see myself, I've literally worn this so many times, plus I can see myself buying so much of these. These go on really nicely. They are matte, they are not too drying, I would say, and I would say, last really long time. Again, you get this in different shades as well. I just have these three over here, but you can get it on purple for a lot many shades. So these three below ones are the NY Base liquid lipsticks. Freaking love it. 180 rupees. It's really good. It's really good, and I absolutely love these ones. So those were the makeup products, body products and skincare products under rupees 250. Let me know which one are you planning to buy. Have you tried all of these products? I want to know. I am definitely going to be creating a video of makeup products under rupees 350. So you should subscribe and stay tuned because I create such videos every single time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all of that stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.